All right, taking a look at a 52 Chevy. Truck is a 5-window. This truck is a very solid patina truck. It's an old Nebraska farm truck, complete with bullet holes, nice patina, and just so cool looking. I mean, it might look a little green in the photos, but it's kind of a real light blue, among other different colors, isn't it? You know, little yellow, little green, but the majority of it's this light blue. Really good build on this. 5-window, everything new where you want it. Interior all redone, nice new dolphin gauges, headliner, seat, door panels painted, sound deadener in the floors, new trans tunnel. Fires up real smooth, real nice. GPS speedo, all gauges hooked up and working. Nice cool shifter. S10 frame, all new drivetrain. Got a real low mileage, little 305 small block that's been totally resealed. All new carb intake. New radiator, you know, transmission's 350 turbo with a shift kit on it. Built 342 rear end, new drive shaft, all new brakes, all new lines. Just a lot of cool